Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start with data analyst. So for data analyst we can start with the topic Excel. So Excel we can start with we can study to from basic to advanced we can study. So today we can start with Excel very basic like the keyboard shortcuts or navigations. So here for keyboard shortcuts I have mentioned several shortcuts are here, so we can look at that what are the functions of each key, like each shortcuts have. So firstly we can start with control A. For control A is used to select a particular column or a particular data, or for an entire data sheet or an entire Excel sheet we have to select. So we can start like for control A, if we wanted to select only this column, so what we have to do is like we can just click on either of the cell in the particular table and we can click control A. So what I have to do, like what we got is like we can select that particular table only. And if we wanted to select the entire sheet, if we wanted to select this entire sheet, what we have to do, we should randomly select any cell which didn't contain any table or in data. We have to choose any random cell which don't contain any of the data. And what we have to do, like we have to push control A. Then what we got, we have to select all the sheet, the entire sheet we can select. And the second step is like control C. I think most of them will know like what is C. Control C means, control plus C means we can copy a particular table or a data and we can paste it to some other cell. So we can go through that. So initially if I wanted to copy this particular table only and I have to paste it to somewhere else, so what I have to do is initially I wanted to select this particular table and I have to click control plus C. Then I got copied this table and what I have to do is control V, which we use to paste the particular column. So I click control plus V. So what I have got is like I have received the entire column. I have copied this table to pay and I have pasted it to some other cell. So I just copied this table and paste to somewhere. So that's the function control plus C and control plus V. So the next step is control X. Control X is used to cutting, like it's a similar step just like a control plus C. Here we have what we have to do, like in control C we didn't cut the paste, like we didn't delete this particular table. Either what we have to do is like just copy this table and paste it to somewhere else. But in the function control X we can copy in the same table, but on the same time we can delete from that position. So just look like I just copy this, select this table, and what I have to do is control plus X. So I have just copied this table along with the cut option, and what I did is like I have pasted it to somewhere else. So what we got, so the previous table got disappear and pasted to somewhere. Okay, so that's the use of control X. So the next we are going to do is control Z. Z is used, why we use this, like it's a redo function, like an undo function. But we have in the previous step we can undo that step. So previously what I did is like previously there is a column in there, I just cut in there and paste it to there. So if I wanted to like reverse the section, I didn't want to delete the previous table and didn't want to paste it to here. So what I have to do is just control Z. So what happened, the previous table go to the previous position. Okay, and what is the meaning of Y, that the control Z is undo, then control Y is redo. So that is what are the thing, like what are the option what I have done in the previous session, I can redo that. So if I put control Y, what happened, it will again going to back. So control X control X we used for cutting a particular table and paste it to somewhere else. Control Z is we can like undo the function. Control Y is we can redo the function. Okay, that's the thing. And the next thing is like shift plus arrow. So we can select the particular, if I wanted to select this column other than control plus A, what we have to do is like I just wanted to like just selecting first column, then I have to drag on something like that. It's like see, like if I wanted to select a particular column, so I have to initially with using with the help of mouse only I can select. Instead of that, what I can do is like initially if I want to select this particular one, initially I select the particular one or two cells only, and I push control and shift plus arrow key. I plus shift plus right arrow key. It will select the right column. If I want to putting down, I plus shift plus down arrow. If I want to upward, shift plus up key. If I want to left side, shift plus left side. Okay, so this way we can select the shift plus arrow. If we wanted to go only particular cell and we didn't want to select that cell, just click plus right arrow or down arrow, left arrow or up arrow. That is for control arrow. And the control shift arrow is just entirely we can select this. I mean fully we can select that particular column. If I wanted to select this full column, what we have to do is shift plus control plus right key. I mean we can select the entire column without going into step by step. You can go through in a fully. You can fully select a particular table. That is control plus shift plus arrow. And the next thing is control plus home. That is we have to go to a particular, like if my key, like if my mouse is clicking the particular, like say for key 6 k16, this kth column and the 16th row, I mean k16 is my mouse dragger, I mean cell is selected, so I wanted to go to the home, I mean a1. What we have to do is just click on control plus, what we have, the key automatically go to A1. And if you wanted to, the last column, I mean last cell where the last data has been selected, and what we have to do is, like if my key is here, I just put the control plus n. But what happened, the cell will be selected in the last column which contains the last data. Okay, and we will go into control plus page down. That means if we wanted to go from this page to this page without selecting the L or without clicking the mouse, we can just click control plus page down. What happened, we have gone to the next page. And if we want to go into the previous page, that means if I am in sheet 1, I have to go to shortcuts. What I have to do is just click control plus page up. That is control plus page down and control plus page up. The next is control plus G. Control plus G is nothing but we have to go to a particular cell only. So if I wanted to go to 79, that is in the kth column and in 8th row, that is K8. What I have to do, if I am my mouse is, I mean if I selected in the column, like if I my cell is in B5, I have to go to K8. What I have to do is like just control plus G and just mention K8, and we can directly go to control K8 the cell. Okay, that is control G. Then control plus space bar. If I wanted to select a particular column fully, that means a full column, just click control plus space bar. What happened, this entire column is selected. And similarly, if I wanted to select a full row, what we have to do is just shift plus space bar. We can select the entire row. And the next thing is like control plus key and minus key. Just nothing but it's easy thing. If we wanted to add a particular row or a column in a particular cell, just click a plus. Like if I wanted to add a row just above the 60, this column, like the number 63, just wanted to add a row or a cell, just click control plus key. What happened, we have an option shift cell down. Then what will happen, we got a column or a cell just above the 63th number value column. And if I wanted to remove that column, if I wanted to delete a particular cell, what we have to do, just click control plus minus. What happened, we got the option shift cell up, we got that particular column got deleted. So that is control plus control plus plus and control plus minus. The next thing is control plus F1. So most of the thing happen, like most of them didn't have a like a shortcut key, or the thing is like it didn't happen on here. So what we wanted to do is, if we wanted to hide in the taskbar or this, we have to do just control plus F1. What happen, it will be hide. And if we want to redo that, just click same. What we have to do, just click same, control plus F1. We got this, just a basic thing only. If you didn't want to show this one thing and we want a full column, like we want to expand the column and we have more data, just click on control plus F1. We can hide the bar. And if you want that, just redo that, control plus F1. And control plus 1 is nothing but just selecting the paste special or format special only, format cell. thing only. Either we can select by clicking this arrow, or else we can select just by clicking control plus 1. We can go this one. So these are the basic keyboard shortcuts or navigation we can have in the Excel sheet. So we can go through the next episode or a next channel with the next episode with the new topic. Okay, so hope everyone enjoyed it and tried it to everyone itself. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.